Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the project and locating the exact resources you will change. Open Android Studio, switch to Project View, and reveal hidden files so you can access manifests and resource folders. Make a quick backup of app/src/main. This saves time if something breaks. Confirm the application ID in build. Gradle because renaming package versus app name differs. This step prevents later confusion. Finally, prepare correctly sized icons, including adaptive foreground and background layers. You'll need those when you replace drawables. Now you change the visible app name and understand why it matters. Open res/values/strings, XML, and replace the app name string. This updates the label shown under the icon. Then open Android Manifest. XML to ensure the application label references that string. If it references a literal label, replace it with the string reference to keep translations working. If you must rename the package, use Android Studio's refactor, rename so imports, and Gradle stay consistent. Otherwise, avoid manual edits that break builds. Finally, replace the icon assets and verify everything builds. Put raster PNGs in mipmap folders and provide an adaptive icon XML in mipmap-pv26 that references your foreground and background drawables. Once done, clean project, rebuild APK, and install on emulator and a real device to confirm launcher shows the new name and icon. If you see the old icon, make sure to uninstall the previous app or clear launcher cache and app data. This often solves residual icon caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.